Tasvika kumusha pasirose.
Yes, pasirose.
Zirise kurise ikaka. Right now we are in the global village. So how do I say Pastor Galton? We are at the global village in Shona.
Tauya kumusha.
Taya kumusha
Wepasirose.
pasirose.
Yes, kumusha wepasirose.
Kumusha ku pasirose.
Yes, kumusha wepasirose.
Yeah, Tasvika. Tasvika also we can say.
Yes, okay, yes, Tasvika kumusha.
Tasvika kumusha pasirose.
Yes, pasirose. Yes, this is global village. Here, inside there, every nation is actually represented.
Yeah.
Is it every nation or every
Ye-
continent? Every continent.
Yes, and even
Yes.
every nation. We are going to see Zimbabwe. We are going to see Pakistan also.
Zimbabwe is there?
Yes, it's there.
All right. Guys, can you believe that this is Dubai police? It is actually police, Mapurisa.
Mapurisa.
Mapurisa. You see? It has got a camera actually. It can capture you if you commit a crime. If you don't have a visa, it can actually capture you and report you. You see? So here they don't need to patrol. So this robot police can actually do everything. Just imagine. Look at that. Look at that.
So it's
That's
taking-
autonomous mobile patrol.
All right. Yeah, it's nice. Robert
You see? Robot police. Mapurisa.
Mapurisa. See, here we are with Mapurisa.
Mapurisa.